To achieve my 1 1/8 inch thickness, I will need to glue 2 pieces together. I selected lumber that was pretty good to begin with, but we need to clean up the faces of one side of each of these pieces. Given that these pieces measure about 0.95, that's what I'm going to start my machine at. I'm also going to mark both sides of my boards so that when the pencil mark gets sanded off, I know that that surface is ready for glue. Now, although I am only sanding one surface, the other side with the pencil mark will tell me that that side needs to face out when I glue. And with one face sanded, I can flip those boards up and see how they will seat together. Specifically, I am checking for large gaps that would not be able to be taken out in a clamp. I also don't necessarily have a concern about the grain pattern facing the same direction on the end grain. These pieces will be glued together and planed down to 1 1/8 inches, so the effect of the grain pattern is pretty negligible.